Hey guys, welcome to another video of Liana Wallet tutorials. And in this video, I will be showing you how to use your Coldcard. So we will be seeing how to unlock your device connected to Liana Wallet, set it up as part of your setup. So let's get to that. First, what you need to do is to open your Liana Wallet. And once you click on set key, you will be asked to plug in a hardware device. Now you connect your Coldcard. You enter your password first, which is a two-part, first prefix and then suffix. So I've put another secure password of 1234, and then I enter. It will show me the anti-phishing words, and then I confirm, and then it's going to be 5 and 6 for me. Now that it is open, first it would tell me about that this is the Edge version. Coldcard for Liana Wallet will, as of now, at this moment, in November 2025, only works with the Edge version firmware. If you haven't installed this version on your Coldcard, you should check out our other video for how to install the Edge version. Once you confirm that, it would say ready to sign, and it should show on the screen. So we can see Coldcard here on the screen. You only need to click on it and then give it a name. I will say Coldcard and then O for orange and apply. Now we have Coldcard here, part of the setup. Next, what we want to do is to register a descriptor on the Coldcard. We come here on this window and we choose Coldcard. You can see the details, hit this, and now it is registered on the Coldcard and everything is finished. Thanks for watching this video. So if you have any questions, tell us in the comments of this video, or you can share your questions and comments, suggestions in our Telegram community as well, which you can find it on our website and link below this video. Thanks. See you in the next videos.